Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. We made it out here to beautiful Colorado, and we're going to be racing in Optima's Ultimate Street Car Challenge here at Pikes Peak International Raceway. Alright, we made it to Pikes Peak International Raceway, and we're ready to do our first event, which is the autocross. Let's get it. No grip. Day one is in the books, guys. Now we got tomorrow, which is going to be the speed stop and also the road course. But I'm going to smash some food right now and then get some R&R. Day two of the Optima Street Car Challenge here at Pikes Peak International. Today we'll be doing the road course and then also the speed stop. That's the end of day 2, guys. I had such a blast today, man. If you have ever thought about tracking your car, you should definitely do it. Optima is a great event to go to. You can do so much racing in it in one weekend. Just, it's insane. It's like an amusement park for cars. But yeah, definitely get out there, take your car out there and drive it. All right, peace out.